Hey there! There is often a misconception that e-commerce merchants have to be experts in every aspect of their business. There is marketing, website design, video production, product design, sales, and a whole lot more. But the truth is, you can't do it all by yourself. At least not at the expert level of skills that is required to make your business successful. Thankfully, for online retailers, there are websites and tools out there that offer a step-by-step, easy-to-use process for creating brand mockups and detailed videos that requires minimum time and absolutely no design or Photoshop skills. This means that you can create things like customizer polls and branded products that can set your store apart from the rest, all in a few simple steps. And one of those is Placeit, which is an online tool. So stay tuned with us to find out whether or not Placeit is right for you and for your online business. Placeit is your one-stop shop for mockups, logos, design templates, and animated videos. Maybe you sell t-shirts and want a new way to show off your designs in a professional and realistic way. Placeit has thousands of apples and digital device mockups that take you just seconds to make it. Or maybe you need a new logo maker for your online business. Placeit has you covered with easy-to-use logo makers that can help you set your e-commerce store apart from the rest and solidify your brand. Along with apparel and logo designs, they even offer business cards, book covers, flyers, and more with thousands of templates. And more are being added every day for you. And when it comes to purchasing Placeit, they offer a free trial where you can test out the tools that they offer. If you find something for you, then the subscription option is included with unlimited subscription and single purchases. As an e-commerce merchant, setting your brand apart is the key to retail success. Using a mockup tool like Placeit can help you quickly create products and videos that will not only boost engagements with your audience but also increase your online sales. With thousands of templates to choose from at affordable prices, you are only limited by your imagination here. So if you wanted to know more about Placeit, then click on the very first link given in the description box of this video. And if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and share it with everybody. With this, smash the subscribe button and do tap the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So we'll meet you in the next video with some more amazing reviews of the softwares. This is Devya from Tegonity Product Reviews. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.